My friends and my brother and sister. This occasion of World Optometry Day, my talk on low vision services in India. Before begin to say that I am a student like you. My talk is not here to teach you, but I want to make you lead in the country where we stand today. In fact, we are one-sixth of the world population. So many numbers, figures are present today, and low visions are very less estimated in India. There are 14 million low visual impairment people in our country. How many low vision specialists do you have in our country? Any guesses? There are 24 low vision centers in our country, plus 1.2 billion population of our country. A few isolated eye practitioners, a little bit called low vision in our country. One study was done in 2005. What are the barriers and who did not want to practice color vision services? But still, optometry remains the main key to do the low vision services in our country. If we talk about the patients in our clinics and the practitioners, most of the patients comes in our clinic and the practitioner do the refractions and prescribe the devices. That's it. But that is not a low vision itself. Low vision has a major components, that is a rehabilitation component. Rehabilitation components means are the patient taking care of their mental stresses and so many things. And from 2005 to 2019, the scenario has not been changed at all because lack of awareness, lack of motivation, lack of training on it. Lack of training on it means if the practitioner describes the devices, but the patient do not use in his or daily life because they are not motivated at all. They are not convinced at all. One survey was done, like answering and questioning survey. 1400 question was asked across, but only 290 question was solved. Among them, other optometrists and ophthalmologists say that I do not have time, I do not want to practice the low vision services, but 27 ophthalmologists and few optometrists are involved in them. The causes reported that retinitis pigmentosa comes in first grade, ARMD comes in second grade, and diabetic mellitus comes in third grade, and glaucoma comes in fourth grade. And the few nystagmus, albinism, refractive error, cataracts, and so many things. And 64 practitioners prescribe the hand magnifier, stand magnifier, and spectacles correction. And 50% of the practitioners prescribe the non-optical devices, and 3% is only prescribed the electronic devices. Now, today is 2019. The world has been shifted to the electronic devices. It is better to prescribe electronic devices. And more convinced, more motivated, only 1% stereoscope was prescribed by motivating the patient to the practitioners. And some practitioners said that the patients is a barrier. Patients do not motivated at all, do not convinced at all, do not trained on it because the devices are expensive. I can debate on it, devices are expensive. The patient may go on heart surgery, cancer treatment, and so many things. But why not the low vision services? My question is that because he or she is well convinced, well motivated. vision services the patient are not well convinced at all. Only few reasons why most of the optometrists, why most of the practitioners do not involved in the low vision services, because it is time consuming, it is difficult to satisfy the patient, it is extra hard work, not profit at all, and lack of training on it. Most of the practitioners say that I am running my own clinic, own services from 2 to 3 years, but I am not well trained on it. The reason is that lack of referral system. Referral system is I am running my own clinic, my own services, but I do not want to refer the patient. The reason is that where to refer? Who is the person who doing the low vision services in our country? That is the big challenge, big problem in our country. And another big problem is that if I am sending a patient, you decide where you send the patient to a next level service, next level low vision services. That is the problem in our country. And few optometrists and few ophthalmologists are involved in it. There are only 7.7% of the practitioners refer the patient to the another hospitals or another low vision services. How to improve the low vision services in our country? As for the practitioners, the knowledge should be requirement. Primary, secondary, and tertiary low vision services will be established. Well process of referral system should be established. That if the patients are suffering from psychological problem, mental stresses, and so many things due to the low vision services and blindness. And the curriculum should be more improved in optometry. And I want to say that due to the lack of time, I do not want to low vision services are the artistically talented best services so far.
Thank you.